The question of whether individuals should obey society is one of the fundamental issues in philosophy, sociology, and ethics. Humans, as social beings, live within a framework that imposes obligations, establishes rules, and sets moral norms. At the same time, there exists an internal conflict between individual freedom and societal demands. Let us explore this question from different perspectives. On one hand, obedience to society is essential for maintaining order, safety, and harmony. Social rules and laws regulate relationships, prevent chaos, and ensure justice. For instance, adhering to traffic laws or criminal codes helps avoid danger and protects the rights of every citizen. Without these norms, life in society would be virtually impossible. Moreover, conforming to societal expectations helps individuals integrate into their social environment, fostering mutual support and cooperation. People gain access to benefits that are only achievable through collective efforts: education, healthcare, cultural achievements. In this sense, obeying social norms is a mutually beneficial exchange. Individuals sacrifice a portion of their freedom to gain protection and comfort. On the other hand, conformity to society can restrict freedom and individuality. History offers numerous examples of societies demanding adherence to unjust laws or immoral customs. Slavery, racial or gender discrimination, censorship. These are all consequences of blind obedience to societal norms. In such cases, individuals must question whether these norms are just and worth following. This raises the question, where is the line between the necessity to obey society and the right to resist it? John Locke, for example, argued that individuals should obey laws only when they promote the common good. Henry David Thoreau emphasized that moral obligation requires resisting unjust laws. Thus, obedience to society should not be blind. It must be rooted in critical thinking and moral principles. Another aspect to consider is cultural differences. In various cultures, the concept of obedience to society can differ greatly. Some societies prioritize collective interests over individual ones, whereas Western culture often emphasizes the importance of personal freedom. This highlights that obedience to society is not a universal rule, but rather a contextual phenomenon. Ultimately, whether individuals should obey society depends on many factors: the fairness of laws, cultural context, personal beliefs, and moral principles. Total rejection of societal norms leads to anarchy, while blind conformity strips individuals of freedom and dignity. The golden mean likely lies in balancing individual interests with societal needs, guided by common sense and moral values. Thank you for watching.